Stop! You are not going to want to miss this. Want to know how you're going to save yourself a truckload of time on everyday stuff?
If so, you need this video in your life.
I'm Kate Dyson, I'm the founder of The Motherload, and we are the UK's #1 non-judgmental and supportive parenting group for women.
And I'm Gemma Bray, the creator of the Organised Mum Method that will get you rocking the housework in just 30 minutes a day.
Forget any life hacks that you think you already know, and all hail the top 5 chore cuts
as used by mums across the UK, brought to you by Gousto.
If odd socks are a problem in your house and it takes you ages to pair them, get the kids involved. Tell them the sock monster has been at play. Now it's up to your children to defeat him. How many pairs can they find? Planning a meal, supermarkets, chopping, cooking, nothing's more of a stress at the end of a long day than sorting out supper. So Gousto's recipe kits really are a lifesaver. They've just started doing TenToTable recipes that take just 10 minutes to prepare and taste amazing. It should feel like cheating, but it really doesn't. If you like cooking with herbs and you've got a youngster on hand, why not ask them to help pick the leaves from the herbs? It saved this mum loads of time? Excuse the pun. Next up, hairdryer dust busting. Who has the time for dusting? Why not combine it into your hairdrying routine? This hack stops you from having to move things out of the way and enables you to keep one hand free for browsing your phone. If dirty floors are the bane of your existence, invest in some floor mop slippers. Or if you've got kids, get them to wear them. Ingenious.
To get 30% off your first 3 Gousto recipe boxes, head over to gousto.co.uk.
Be sure to use the code CHORECUTS or click on the banner for more information.